Apply moisturizer all over your face. Apply strobe cream on your highlighting point. Use an orange-based concealer to hide any dark spots or dark circles on your face. Blend it with a damp beauty blender. Apply foundation all over your face and blend it using a damp beauty blender. Apply 2 shades lighter concealer on your under eyes to highlight them and blend it. Apply loose powder all over your face. Use a bronzer to contour. Use a peachy nude blush and apply it on your cheeks. Apply highlighter on the high points of your face. Fill in your eyebrows. Use a highlighter to highlight your brow bone and inner corner of your eyes. Apply a peach eyeshadow on your crease and blend it using a blending brush. Apply peachy orangey shade all over the lid and blend it properly. Apply a champagne gold eyeshadow from the inner corner of your eye to the middle. Apply kajal. Put a thin liner. Apply mascara. Put eyelashes. Line your lips with a nude color liner. Apply a peachy nude gloss. Set everything using a setting spray. And you are done. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.